Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So I don't know if I'm actually going to be posting this video, but I did say that I want my channel to be more than just hair. So I did move recently. I moved in like 2 months ago and I still haven't situated my room. Like I haven't bought most of my furniture. I haven't done any of that stuff. With the whole COVID thing going on, it's gotten in the way of a lot of things that I was planning on doing, but that's okay. Today we're going to figure out what we're gonna do with all these clothes. I have so many clothes that I've had for like 6, 7, 8 years and I don't wear most of them. I just have a bunch of workout clothes, a bunch of lounge clothes, and I need to figure out if I'm going to keep these items. That's what we're gonna be doing in today's video. You see out in the hallway, those are the boxes that I've already emptied out. So it's these clothes here. Luckily, I've already organized my closet and put like my winter clothes away, and I have my spring stuff out, but I really need to get this stuff in order. I went ahead and cleared my bed off because I'm gonna be using it to organize my clothes. So I'm gonna have a pile for my lounge clothes, my workout clothes, and then my clothes that I wear out. But my clothes that I'm gonna throw away, they're gonna go into a pile on the floor. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. First off, I should probably figure out what I'm keeping and what I'm getting rid of. But then you see, I don't want to make no keep and throw away pile and then have to come back and fold my stuff afterwards. So I'm gonna kind of be like grabbing pieces of clothing and figuring it out that way. This is a skirt that I got from a thrift store for like $3. These, I don't wear them anymore, so I'm gonna get rid of those. These are a really old pair of tights, but is it time to let these go? I don't know if I'm ready. Yeah, it's time to let these ones go. Definitely keeping these shorts. When I first got these shorts, I was in love with them, and I need to get some more because I don't like jean shorts. They're so uncomfortable. You never really even see me in jean shorts. I prefer this material because it's soft and it's breathable. It's breathable. I have these shorts. I don't ever wear these shorts. I do wear these black shorts, so I'm gonna keep these. Put those there. The cool thing about this shirt is that this shirt is vintage, and I'm just not getting rid of this shirt. This shirt is older than I am, and I'm just not gonna get rid of it because surprisingly enough, this shirt is like 25 years old and it's still in style. I would never get rid of that shirt. I'll keep that. This is a work shirt. It needs to get hung up. These are all the t-shirts that I use for my hair, but I don't need to keep all these shirts. Some of them, it is time to get rid of them. So yeah, I know you shouldn't get rid of all your t-shirts, which I'm definitely not, but some of this stuff got to go. Like, it's just taking up so much space. This is a lounge shirt. You know, I could be lounging around in the house in that. This is trash. What else? Trash. This isn't trash. These are my workout tights. So they go there. If you can see these on, these workout pants are so cute. Like, they're so cute. I got them from somewhere, and they're just really cute. Look looking at my workout clothes is making me want to start being active again. I need to do it. These are the clothes that I am going to be giving away. I'm not going to be keeping these clothes. So I folded all of these. So now I'm going to start putting them up in my dresser. So after I finish putting my clothes away, I'm going to clean up my room as well. Remember, this is still a progress. My room is not even halfway done yet. So it's going to look it's gonna look a lot bit cleaner. The next time that you guys see my room, if you want a room tour, the next time that you guys see my room, it'll be completely finished. And so yeah, so remember, this is a work in progress. This ain't about to look like magnificent when I'm finished. It's not gonna look like wow just yet. Now, how do we want to do this? Because I got my lounge clothes, then I got my workout clothes, then I got my out clothes. So I don't got many out clothes just yet. So my out clothes gonna go on this side. I got rid of a lot of my clothes because I'm gonna fill this space up with new items because it is well beyond time for me to get some new clothes. It's kind of early. I'm just waking up because I want to show you guys the end results of my room. I finished with the first part of my room. There's still a lot that I want to do with it, but my room is like clean and all set for anything else that I need to do. I want to get nightstands to go on the side of my bed. I want to get a rug as well, vanity, some plants. There's just a lot more stuff that I need to get. So of course my room is only half full. And I just want to show y'all my room all cleaned up. So now that my room is in better condition, I can get started on doing all the stuff that I'm planning on doing with my room. My room is at a good starting point. There's so much that I have planned. There's so much that I want to do. This is going to be temporary. I'm getting rid of that. This used to hold like my products, my hair products, but I really want to get a shelf. And for this, that is something that I had to hold like little storage items. There's just so much that I want to do. I'm so excited, but I do like how much better my room looks now. And yeah. video here. I really hope that you all enjoyed it. It's something that's a little bit different from what I usually do. Please give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in seeing a room tour, just comment room tour down below, and I will see you all in the next video.